In this video, you'll learn how to create a website using Notion and Super.so. By the end of this guide, you will have a fully functional website linked to your Notion pages. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Ensure you have an account set up, as you will need access to create and edit pages. If you are new to Notion, consider familiarizing yourself with its interface first. Next, go to the Super.so website. This platform allows you to turn your Notion pages into websites easily and efficiently. Take a moment to review the features it offers to understand how it works. Once on Super.so, click on Get Template. This action will provide you with a selection of templates you can use for your website. Choose a template that fits your desired style and functionality. After that, click on Get Supply Template. This option will direct you to a specific template designed for creating websites. Take a moment to explore the layout and features of this template. Now, click on Start with this template to initiate the setup process. This step will create a new project in your Super.so account based on the selected template. Next, select your profile, Space HQ, or create a private space if necessary. This is where your website will be hosted, so ensure you choose the appropriate space. Following this, choose one of the pages you want to turn into a website. This can be any Notion page you've created. Make sure the content is ready for public viewing. Then click on Share within Notion. This option allows you to manage the visibility of your page. Ensure that the page is set to be shared publicly so that it can be accessed online. Once you have shared the page, click on Publish. This action will make your Notion page available for viewing through the web link provided by Super.so. After confirming the publication, click on Copy Site Link. This link will be essential for accessing your newly created website in the future. Now, return to Super.so and click on Create Site. This action will begin the process of finalizing your website setup. Next, type in your desired site name. Ensure that it reflects the content or purpose of your website for easy recognition. Then type in the URL you copied from Notion. This link connects your Super.so site to the specific Notion page you wish to display. After entering the necessary information, click on Create Site. This will finalize the setup and make your website live. Finally, click on Never Manual Publishing. This feature allows you to control when updates are published to your site, giving you flexibility in managing your content.